Hello students, today we'll see Standard 8 Maths lesson number 5 Expansion Formulae. Before starting this lesson, let's recall the identities which we have studied in Standard 7. So here first is a plus b the square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b the square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, very important, a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So these are the three basic identities and very important identities. Now here we'll do the application of these identities. So the first is given x plus 2y its square. So now how to do the expansion of this? For this we'll apply the first one because plus is given. So we'll use the first identity. So here a plus b. We'll consider this x as a, 2y as b. So here I'll write so that you'll understand it better. So x means a, 2y will consider as b. Now what do we want? First a square. So here first number square, that is x square, plus we need 2ab, that is 2 into x into 2y. So here I'll show you the rough work. So 2ab means what? In this sum it is 2 into a means x and b means 2y. So here x into b means 2y. So that will be equal to 4xy. So in the box it will come 4xy plus last number square, that is b square. B means 2y. 2 square is 4. Y square is y square. Now this second identity. So second is given 2x minus 5y the whole square. So again first term I'll consider a, second I'll consider b. Now here what we require? Again it is a minus bracket. So we'll use a minus. A square we want. A means 2a. So here see, a square means 2x square. 2x square is what? 4x square. So that will be your 4x square. Minus 20xy, that is they have applied minus 2ab. So if you multiply this, we'll get minus 20xy plus b square. Now b means what here? 5y. So here we'll solve roughly. B square is equal to 5y square. 5 square is 25. Y square is y square. So this will come 25y square. So as you practice, you can directly solve this. Now we'll see the next one. 101 square. Now directly we cannot find 101. So we can use these identities to find the square of any number. So 101 square we have to find. Now this 101 is nearer to 100. So in the place of 101, we'll write 100 plus 1. That means without changing its original value, we are making here a change. Now next here, first box. Now which identity we have to apply here? The first identity. So first identity tells that we have to do first number square. So here the first number is 100. Its square is 10,000. So we'll write it here 10,000 plus 2ab. Second is, next is what? Plus 2ab. So 2 into 100 into 1. So 2 into 100 is 200 into 1 is 200. So here it will come 200 and plus the last number square they have already given. Now add all this 10,000 plus 200 plus 1. It will be 10,201. So without doing the calculation, that is multiplication, 101 into 101, if you apply the identity, it is easy to solve the squares. Now 98. Now 98 we can write in the form of 100 minus 2 the square. So now here second identity, because minus bracket, so we'll use the second identity. 100 minus 2 square equal to 10,000 minus 2 into A into B. That is 2 into 100 into 2. How much it is? It is 400 plus B square. B square is what? Plus 2 square will be 4. And if you do this calculation, that is 10,000 minus 400, if you do, it will be 0069. That is 9,600, and plus 4 we have to do here. So this is 9604 is the answer for 98. So 98 square you can easily find by using the identity. It is what? 9604. Now next is given 5m plus 3n into bracket 5m minus 3n. Now here if you observe, suppose this is A and this is B. So this is A plus B and this is A minus B. So which identity is applicable here? The third identity. So here it is what? A plus B, A minus B will be A square minus B square. So A means 5m. So here it will come 5m square minus 3n square. Now 5m square. 5 square is 25. M square minus 9n square. So this is the previous knowledge. So students, revise it again. Then we'll solve the further one.